right, so today what I want you to do is I want you to create some labels, excuse me, in your Google email, your Gmail. And so what you do is you click on More and you find Create New Label. Click on that, and then you can give this a name. I'm creating a base English class, and it's 11 and 12, so I'm just going to put that on there. And then I'm going to create that, and it'll show up over here. Base English. So then when I have all of these emails that go to Base English, I can just pull them over and keep them in there. The other folder or label that I want you to make is Principal Osmond's weekly message, because he's going to be emailing you every week. And so I want you to create that. And then when you get your emails from Principal Osmond, you can pull it over here and keep it in a folder. I'd really like you to do one of these for every class, but you have to make that choice.